Denyo 220KVA generator number 5, air filter cleanup and rust check in action. Begin by carefully removing the outer filter cover to access the air filter. Take your time to ensure all screws, clamps, or fasteners are properly loosened before gently lifting the cover away. Handle the cover with care to avoid any damage or misalignment during removal. This initial step is crucial for exposing the filter and preparing for the next stages of cleaning and inspection. Carefully loosen the single nut that secures the outer filter cover in place. Ensure you turn it slowly and gently to avoid damaging the threads or surrounding components. Once the nut is fully removed, lift the cover away with caution, keeping its alignment intact to prevent bending or misalignment. This straightforward yet essential step provides access to the air filter for cleaning and further maintenance. Carefully clean each piece of the outer cover, ensuring every section is meticulously wiped down to remove dust, dirt, and debris. Use a soft cloth or brush to gently reach into grooves, edges, and corners, avoiding scratches or damage to the surface. Focus on achieving a spotless finish for each part, leaving no residue behind. This attention to detail ensures the outer cover is fully restored and ready for reassembly, contributing to the optimal performance of the generator. Thoroughly clean the air filter to ensure it is free from dirt, dust, and debris that could obstruct airflow. Use a soft brush, cloth, or compressed air to gently remove particles from the filter's surface without damaging the material. Carefully clean all sides and edges of the filter, taking time to ensure no residue is left behind. This step is vital for restoring the filter's efficiency and ensuring optimal performance of the generator. Carefully clean the air filter container to remove all traces of dust, dirt, and debris that may have accumulated. Use a soft cloth, brush, or compressed air to gently reach into every corner and crevice of the container, ensuring a thorough cleaning without causing any scratches or damage. Pay special attention to any areas where debris tends to collect, leaving the container spotless and ready for reassembly. This meticulous cleaning ensures optimal airflow and supports the efficient operation of the air filter and generator. Install the air filter. Start by aligning it carefully with its container, ensuring that it fits securely and without any gaps. Once properly positioned, fasten the filter using the securing mechanism, such as the wing nut, and tighten it firmly but gently to avoid any damage or over-tightening. Take a moment to inspect the fit, ensuring the filter is firmly seated and stable. With this step complete, the air filter is ready to support the generator's optimal airflow and performance during operation. Reinstalling the outer cover proved to be a bit more challenging this time, as aligning it perfectly and securing the clip required extra care and effort. The clip, being slightly tricky to position, demanded patience and precise adjustments to ensure a proper fit. With some perseverance and a steady hand, the cover was finally secured in place, providing the air filter with the protection it needs for optimal performance. Inspect the coolant for any signs of discoloration, which may indicate contamination, degradation, or the presence of rust and debris. Carefully note changes in color or clarity, as these can signal the need for future maintenance or replacement. By identifying discoloration early, you can take proactive steps to maintain the coolant's effectiveness, ensuring the generator operates efficiently and preventing potential damage to its cooling system over time. Welcome to Bigfoot's grip and lighting section, where practical know-how meets dedication. We aren't experts, but we understand what needs to be done to keep our grip and lighting equipment performing at its best. Through consistent maintenance and hands-on care, we ensure everything is ready for your production needs. Follow our journey as we tackle routine tasks with precision and keep things running smoothly. Like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated with our simple but effective maintenance practices.